Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, January the 12th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into the free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. On my homepage, you'll see a way in which you can take out a subscription with a promo code. You'll see a link to the trade of the week. You'll see links to all the scans that I'm sharing. And you will also see a lot of training links, okay, including the 20 lessons in 20 days. Of course, you can go at your own pace. So actually, I had a very slow trading day for me. I found the market kind of, well, in fact, look at this, very choppy. There was the pre-market with the SPY. It started to move down, popped up, came back down. Now it's moving back up again. So not seeing a lot of super trend. I mean, listen, there are obviously stocks that are trending, but just didn't see a lot of super trends. I want to have you take a look at this one. Now, if you don't know ZOM, you're not going to believe from where it came. Let's see if I can get the monthly chart up here. I don't even need a monthly chart. Look at this weekly chart, guys. So ZOM, back here on, well, that's about a year ago. No, I'm sorry. That is November of last year. This was a 6-cent stock. Even last week, I mean, let's not even go that far back. Let's just go last week. This was a 25-cent stock. So they've got something to do with pet monitoring, cats and dogs monitoring, okay? And so when it broke over $1, it didn't quite make it yesterday. If you take a look at it, let's say take a look at it on the daily chart, didn't quite make it. It broke, it hit $1.01, but it closed right here at 93. I woke up this morning and there it was, over $1. So the bottom line is that I did end up taking, and here is the pre-market right here. That's that sort of pink area. I ended up taking this trade right about here at 124, and I watched it. Now remember, at one point this candle was green all the way up there, and I said in the room, guys, I'm a little worried about that 150 mark. You know, for me, the 50-cent marks for stocks under $5 are almost as important as the $1 marks. You know, it's just sort of a whole numbers. It's sort of a psychological level for a stock to try to get through. And so I ended up taking most of the trade out here. However, I am thinking there's no resistance on this, and I know it's come an incredible long way. Depending how it closes, I may swing this one. I think they have some kind of they're going to release this product, I believe it says on March the 30th, so there is time. Running the risk, of course, that they're going to do a financing. I mean, a stock that has come from 25 cents last week that, almost makes it to $1.50. You always have to be worried that they might do a financing. But I'll have to wait and see how it closes, and I'll make up my mind then. Other than that, not too much happening for me today. Bitcoin had a bit of a comeback. GBTC. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bit of a comeback. It is, it's up 225. This is the one. Well, I call it the ETF for Bitcoin. Remember now, though, this was up at $48. So I mean, this is up at $48 on Friday before it, just got crushed over the weekend. So it is trying to come back. So I think that we'll probably find a lot of the Bitcoin plays like the Maras. I think what is Mara up right now? Mara's doing pretty well. It's up 11%. And Riot, I think, is up not quite as much. It's up 5%. Mara always seems to outperform Riot in terms of percentages. So, this is the one I like to keep an eye on. But anyway, let's see if Bitcoin can continue its kind of march back. In fact, let me just take a look here. I should look at so look at the daily chart. So the high yesterday was 39.70. It's basically there. So I think if it can hold this level and then tomorrow start to get into the 40s, we might see another surge back to these levels for Bitcoin. Again, this is the ETF. I don't know what the actual coin is trading for right now. Somebody said around 35,000. But anyway, so not a very active day for me, but keep an eye on Bitcoin tomorrow. And definitely, if you're looking for a potential, very kind of a risky, but the ZOM could be an interesting one going forward. So with that in mind, I'm going to stop this. And if you have any questions for me, you can use that email address, the link for the free room, and I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.